A Florida vacation that never truly began ends in handcuffs. A flight lands safely, but one passenger's meltdown is just taking off. A husband's patience breaks, an officer's commands are ignored, and a drunk woman's outburst becomes the airport scene no one will forget. This is the story of the drunk wife from hell.
You have no right to be doing this.
Yes.
Now can I have a f***ing cigarette?
No.
No, you tell me why.
Give me your goddamn ID.
Shut up.
That's a
Turnaround.
good deal, Marcy.
Real fucking nice. Let go of me. Let go of me. Illegal. Illegal.
On February 15th, 2024, Charlotte County deputies were called to Punta Gorda Airport after flight attendants on an Allegiant flight reported a severely intoxicated and disruptive passenger. The woman, identified as Marcy, had allegedly been arguing with the flight crew. When officers arrived, the plane had already landed. Sergeant boarded the aircraft and was immediately met with Marcy's erratic behavior. Flight attendants told the officer she had been cursing, ignoring safety rules, and refusing to remain seated. But when Sergeant Marsh asked for her ID, things took a quick turn from non-compliance to full-blown chaos.
I'm saying I can't delete it. I can't take your phone and delete it. I'll do a report and everything. Tell her that you want to delete it?
No, it's a police policy. You cannot
I understand.
You could like, it's a security issue.
Yeah, no, I'll do it. I got it.
And my ears are plugged.
Step down here. Go ahead, go. I'm not being mean.
Yeah.
I just said.
I know, but
Okay.
negative. Just try restarting your computer.
Yeah, can you make sure I'm calling and Rose pulled up that too?
It is, it shows you no. Yeah.
Here, come with me. We're gonna go that way. You have a driver's license?
You do?
Can you see it?
But I would like you to tell me why.
I will. I'll explain it to you.
I'm just going to sit and comply with bullshit.
All right, come on. Come on. You're in a secure area. Come on.
As the sergeant calmly escorted Marcy off the plane, she refused every lawful order, slurring her words and barking demands at both her husband and the officer. The officer warned her for disorderly conduct and public intoxication, but she kept walking away, demanding to smoke a cigarette on the tarmac.
Huh? Come on. Can you what?
Smoke.
No, you can't smoke.
My ears are plugged.
All right, come on. Are they all going that way? All right, come here.
Where can I smoke?
You can't smoke out here.
Huh?
You cannot smoke out here. I'm Sergeant Marsh. I work for the Charlotte County Sheriff's Office.
And what is the problem?
You know, I know. Sir, that way.
Dougie?
That way.
Go. You started it. Go.
Is this your husband?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me have your ID. Hey, you can go ahead.
No. Not until you tell me.
Okay. Well, listen, I'm
What
going
is
to
the
arrest
problem?
you if you don't give me your ID.
You have
Plain
no
and
right.
simple.
No right.
Yes.
Actually, you know what?
Drunk.
My son.
Give her your ID.
What? I'm what?
Drunk and disorderly.
Well, that would be from Allegiant, wouldn't it?
listen, I don't care. I didn't give you the drinks.
I'm not drunk.
Marcy,
No.
give him your
No.
ID.
Give me your ID.
Marcy, just give me your ID or go home. Let's go. Come on.
You go.
No, I'm not.
This all started because of you.
It's nothing to do
Listen,
It did.
listen. This doesn't have to be that hard. I just need your information.
Exactly right.
Are you his? What's her name?
Marcy.
Spell her first name.
No.
M-A-R-C-Y.
Quit.
Hey.
Go.
Would you stop it?
No.
Stop.
Arrest me.
I
I welcome it.
I may. Don't touch
I
me.
welcome
Do
it.
not touch
Marcy.
me.
You know why I welcome it? Because I have it all on video.
Okay, what's her first name?
Marcy.
Spell it.
M-A-R-C-Y.
M-A-R-C what?
Why?
And her last name?
Mine's her M-E-I-E-R.
Say it again.
M-E-I-N.
You ask anybody on that plane. There was
What's her middle
no
initial?
problem.
May.
Okay, well, I'm going to talk to you about that. What's her date of birth? Ma'am.
Stop it.
Stop.
You know what? I've been waiting for
Stop.
5 hours
Stop.
to have a cigarette.
Stop.
Arrest me.
Stop.
Arrest me.
Marcy,
Stop.
stop it. It's
No.
As soon as we
it
get-
all started
as
from
soon-
you.
Hey.
From me, what?
Your mouth.
As soon as
From
we get
what?
ma'am, as soon as we get this over with, you'll be able to go get your stuff and you'll be able to
we'll
leave.
go home. Marcy,
But if we-
I don't even care.
Hey,
Give me your ID.
No,
Mr.
I'm
Marshall,
not.
just
Sergeant.
Because you know what?
Oh, what's that?
Allegiant.
Sergeant Marsh. What? Do you guys live in
Allegiant
Florida?
overserved his
Okay,
fucking
that's
ass
fine.
all night.
That's fine.
Not
That's
mine.
fine. That's fine.
His.
Do you live in Florida?
No, we're
No.
in Michigan.
Okay. What's her date of birth?
It's
Ma'am.
April.
I'm gonna have a freaking cigarette
Ma'am.
before I talk to you.
April
Stop.
15,
No, you're
So
not.
you
You're
tell
not
me
having
where
a
I'm
cigarette
having
out. You're not having a cigarette out here.
April 1571.
What is it?
Then arrest me.
1571.
What is it?
April 1571.
Arrest
Okay, well, I
me.
need to identify her, and
No.
I'm not going to let
your
her go.
ID.
No.
Give her
This
ID,
is
we'll go.
For what?
Would you
Hey,
please
stop
give her her?
yelling.
Tell me for what?
300 Central copy name and
Would
date
you
of birth.
just give her
No.
ID and
For
we're going
what?
to go?
For
Would you
what?
Give her the ID.
Hey, stop.
I would like
Okay.
to know
Stop.
what
My
I
ears.
did.
My
Last
ears.
name
Sorry.
Mary, Edward, Ida, Nora,
Yeah.
Zebra, Edward,
You don't
Robert.
even have a
First
mic.
name Marcy.
Marcy, come
Hey.
here. Marcy.
Ma'am,
I'm gonna have a cigarette.
ma'am,
I'm gonna have a cigarette, or you can arrest
come
me
over
right
there.
now.
Come over there right
Marcy,
now.
just give
I'm
me your
giving
ID.
you your last chance right now.
Marcy.
You have no right to be
Marcy.
doing this.
Yes.
Yes,
I
she
do.
does.
What did I tell me
You're
what
not
I did?
You're not identifying yourself.
No, you tell me
Marcy,
why.
give me your goddamn ID. We'll
Shut
go
up.
home.
The woman resisted as the officer placed her in handcuffs. As she was being restrained, she mocked the officer, boasting that her son was also a police sergeant. Finally, outside the terminal doors, the sergeant moved her toward a patrol unit.
Tell me why I have to.
Because I just ordered you to. That's
Why
Marcy,
did the plane
Marcy.
say
one
I
last
had to?
chance. One last
Marcy,
chance.
look at me. Marcy,
No,
come here.
take
Just
me in.
leave her be. Leave her be.
Okay, good. Take her in.
Give me your ID.
No, take me in. You have no
Okay,
right.
put your stuff down.
You have
Put
no
your
right.
stuff down. Turn around.
That's a
Turn around.
good deal, Marcy. You're an asshole.
You're under arrest.
Are you happy?
Well, this is my job, ma'am.
Yeah. I'm so glad.
Yeah,
my
you're
son,
highly
My
intoxicated.
son is so much younger than you, and he's a fucking sergeant in Garden City, Kansas.
Okay, I'm the sergeant also.
Yeah. But you would
Would you
do
stop
things
moving?
different.
Stop my what?
You would do things different.
Well,
You didn't even tell me what the problem was.
I explained to
No,
you
you
3
didn't.
or 4
No,
different
you
times.
didn't. You never said what
You're-
the problem was.
They're complaining that you're drunk and disorderly.
Oh, well, they served me.
Okay, I get that they served you.
I hope you're happy.
300 Central. I'm gonna have a white female under arrest
Yep.
here at the airport. Can you have a unit meet me here?
Now can I have a fucking cigarette?
No.
No.
Come on.
You little man syndrome? Is that what it is?
What? We're going through the airport.
Little man syndrome?
Let's go.
Oh, let's show it off. Woo! Because they overserved me on Allegiant.
402-300
and I get arrested because they overserved me on Allegiant. Now you want to f***ing arrest me? I just got off the goddamn plane. How does that look for Allegiant? Real fucking nice. You're pissing me off. Don't you squeeze my arm like that.
Listen,
I'm
stop.
Don't.
Stop.
Don't you.
Stop.
Oh, the
Stop.
bruises that will be there? Let go of me.
Stop.
Let go
Stop.
of me. You're being
Stop.
a son of a bitch.
402 down the airport.
300, 402. I'm by my office. I'm trying to bring her through there. She's causing a scene.
I'm causing a scene.
Yeah.
My wrists are being bruised. My arm is being bruised.
Stop. Stop. You are under arrest. Now you're resisting. You are resisting
How am I
arrest.
resisting?
Because you are fighting me.
How am I fighting you?
You're fighting
I'm right here against the
fighting
fucking
me.
door.
So why are you
Am I
hitting the
not
door?
right here against the fucking door?
Stop.
How am I resisting?
Stop. Stop.
How am I resisting?
Relax.
Stop
Relax.
being a little man
Relax.
person. Think about your wife.
Relax.
Think about your children.
Relax.
All I did was come here for f***ing vacation.
Well,
Yeah. Well,
fortunately, you're going to be doing your first part of the vacation in our jail.
yeah.
Yeah.
Wait for those bruises.
She's extremely in.
Just
relax.
Actually, I'm not.
Okay, just relax.
And I'm not going to be alone with him.
Well, it's a good thing I'm here.
No, I'm not.
You're going to go in here.
I'm not going to be alone with him.
Going through here, man.
I'm not being alone with you in a room. You've already put the cuffs.
I just need her transported.
Yeah, we'll take care of it.
I don't even know her name yet.
Don't
She refuses to.
handle
Come on,
me.
let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You're under arrest for disorderly intoxication
From what?
and resisting.
From what? The airplane?
Yes.
After
Yes.
they served me.
Yes, ma'am. I get that they served
No,
you.
if that's your
I get-
car,
I get-
no,
it's
I'm
not my
not
car.
going alone with you.
You're not going with me.
I'm not going with him.
You're going with me. You're going with him.
Okay. All right.
I have not searched her.
Right over here. Oh, search me.
I said I haven't searched you.
Hey, listen, the cuffs.
On your person, anything in your pocket?
Mind if I put this down there?
Okay, you're good.
No, I don't want my shit in there. No,
Put it back there. I'm going through your stuff.
Stay over here.
ID.
no, no. You have no right. I want an attorney. No, I request an attorney. You
Okay.
have- no.
Have a seat.
Hang on. This is wrong.
Sit.
You have no right to go
Sit
through
in
my
the
shit.
car.
I said. Oh,
Get in the car.
are you fucking kidding me?
No.
You're an asshole. You want to loosen these a little bit?
Sit back.
You.
All right.
You do not have permission. Illegal. Illegal. You're gonna be fucking sorry, I'll tell you that. Nobody else complained on the plane, but the one stewardess, because she was fucked and mad when I said, don't pull your hair down and shake it like that I have a video of. Hey, you have no permission to go through my shit. I saw that. Nope. Nope. You have no permission. No permission to go through my shit. I already said attorney. I want an attorney. Leave my shit alone.
I'm Deputy Ford. What's your name?
Yeah.
What's your name, ma'am?
Just let me the fuck out.
Okay, so I'm gonna talk to you for a second.
Yeah,
Okay?
because I go on a plane for a fucking vacation and the fucking stewardess
Okay, so listen.
doesn't like
Again,
me and
I'm
serves
Deputy
me.
Ford. What's your name?
I'm not telling you.
Cool. Well, we're gonna find out eventually.
Yeah.
So, anyways, here's how this works.
Arrest me. Let me out of this fucking car. I know. For what? For what?
Cool. So I need you
For
to bring
what?
it down a little bit.
For what am I under arrest for?
Okay, so I need you to bring
For
it down
what?
a little bit. I'll tell you in a little bit. We'll
Yeah,
explain
I
the
was
process.
on Allegiant
Okay, cool.
and the
Anyways,
stewardess got pissed
I
off.
don't really care, to be honest with
Yeah.
you. So I'm just gonna explain this to you.
Well, I gotta get hair out of my
If you
fucking
don't
mouth.
calm down a little bit.
I'll come down.
Things aren't gonna go the way
Let
you
me
want
out of the
them to,
car.
okay?
I'm
So I need you to-
claustrophobic.
Okay, so I need you to calm down.
Fine.
So you can't fight us or anything, right? If you fight us or anything like that, it's not gonna go your way.
Why would I even fucking do that?
Because some people do.
My son's a sergeant in Garden City, Kansas.
Okay.
I respect you
I
guys.
appreciate that.
Can you let me out so I can breathe?
As soon as the female deputy comes out here, we'll get you out, okay? Alright.
You're an asshole. Yeah, he had a lot of words to say on the way
I'm
here.
sure he did.
Yeah. Little punk ass kid.
Alright, well, you're not going to disrespect him. So get off.
He disrespects me?
Okay. So anyways, I'm not going to do that no more.
Can you please let me out of the
I'm going to. I'm just waiting for her to come out here.
She's right here. I'm claustrophobic.
Cool.
Will you please let me
Before
out?
Vehicle, do you have anything on you that's going to poke, stick, stab, jab, hurt us, blow us up, or make us bleed?
Well, I think I was already checked for all that,
it's
wasn't
just-
I, sweetheart?
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have any alcohol, tobacco, narcotics, or anything I consider contraband on you and you or in your property?
Ask him.
I'm asking you.
Ask
So if I find
him.
anything, if she finds anything on you,
Violation from him.
So listen,
He
if
needs to get the
anything's
fuck away from me.
So listen,
Violation.
if you don't bring it down again, it's not going to go your way.
I wouldn't be in the back of the car.
All right,
We can start asking you questions we gotta ask you, ma'am. We didn't bring you here, we just gotta deal with it now.
Deal with him.
Okay. So
Ask him how he checked me.
okay.
Right?
It's just yes or no, ma'am. Do you have anything on you? That
Ask him. Ask him.
Okay. So if we find something, it's gonna be an additional charge.
Yeah,
With that being
ask
said,
him.
Time to get you out of here.
No, ask him.
Step on out of the vehicle, ma'am. Nice and easy for me. Don't fall.
Ask that motherfucker
Ma'am.
how he checked me.
Come on out.
Ask him.
Marcy was transported to the Charlotte County Jail, still recording on her phone and threatening to sue both the airline and the sheriff's department. Deputies charged her with resisting arrest without violence and disorderly intoxication. Her husband, visibly humiliated, left the airport alone. And for Marcy, her Florida vacation didn't begin at the beach. It began behind bars. Want more unbelievable police encounters? Subscribe to Police Cam 24/7 and never miss the next wild moment caught on Bodycam.